Hi everyone and welcome sa ating new episode of Few Minutes with Harvey. Hi guys! So today is our day 2 here in Switzerland. So for today's video guys, konti lang naman ang itinerary natin pero isa to sa mga pinaka-extreme and adventurous day na mangyayari. Parang feeling ko naman halos lahat ng araw extreme and adventurous yung gagawin namin. So before anything else guys, kung bago ka lang sa ating channel, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and pakihita din ng notification bell for you to be updated on our latest uploads. I don't know guys kung may nare-reach pa tong video natin pero okay lang naman kahit wala or kung iilan lang yung nanonood kasi gusto ko lang din talaga i-video and i-keep yung memories na nagagawa ko while here in Europe. So, ayun, going back guys, so today nandito tayo sa Interlaken and grabe, kung makikita nyo lang yung nasa harapan ko ngayon, kung maisasama ko lang din talaga kayo physically, hopefully magawa natin yan soon sa tulong ng monetization natin dito sa YouTube. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Wala akong masabi. This is a dream come true for me. Actually, ang dami ko sobrang thankful lang ako kay God kasi ang dami nang natupad sa lahat ng mga wishes ko. And eto na yung pangalawa sa matutupad sa tatlong bucket list ko talaga sa buhay ko. Una, nagawa ko ng makinig or makita in person ang Scottish bagpipes or yung mga nagbabagpipes sa Scotland. If you want to check that out guys, please do so. Second guys ay ang paragliding sa Interlaken on where mangyayari na siya today. So kaya grabe, sobrang excited ako kasi paragliding na tayo. And syempre yung pangatlo ay yung hot air balloon ng Turkey na gagawin din natin hopefully, kung hindi man ngayong taon ay maybe next year. So papakita ko sa inyo yung sa kabila guys. So itong vlog na to ay solely lang para sa paragliding. Yes guys, yun ang una nating itinerary for today or una nating agenda. The next naman natin guys, ipupunta tayo ng Iseltwald. I don't know guys if napopronounce ko siya ng maayos pero sana maintindihan nyo naman or aware naman din kayo. And then pupunta kami ng Lake Brienz. Alam nyo naman siguro yan sa mga nakanood na ng Crash Landing on You. And maglilibot kami sa Old Town na hindi namin nagawa kagabi. So ipakita ko lang siya sa inyo doon sa kabila para ma-appreciate nyo din kung ano yung nakikita ko ngayon. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, tingin ako ng tingin doon lang sa gilid. Kasi grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. Okay? Oh, 'di ba? Kita nyo 'yan? Kung ganyan naman yung bubungad sa iyo ng umaga. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng lugar. Sobrang paradise. Isa talaga 'to sa mga dream come true ko na nakapunta dito sa Switzerland. Ay, wala na ako ibang masabi talaga. Kung makikita nyo kayo sa lahat ng social media platforms ko, wala na ako ibang masabi kundi it's so beautiful and I'm really thankful to God for giving me the chance na makapunta dito. Because not everybody has the chance. Pero, thankful lang talaga tayo sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay sa atin ni God. And for this weather, grabe, kita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang Interlaken. Anyway, cut na muna natin. Ising na ang ating mga kasama. Ang mga Wonder Pets. Tatlo lang pala kami for today. Kasi si Micah ay ayaw niya. Ayaw niya daw ng paragliding. So, ito yung, sabi ko naman sa inyo, 7 days ating kasama tong sasakyan na to. Ang ating Skoda. Ang Skoda natin na nagiging van na kayang magsakay ng 5 luggage, 1 full, trolley of groceries. So, mamaya na lang pag nandun na tayo, ha?
Ito yung,
Yung nakikita nyo sa harap, dyan na yung office nung kung saan kami magpa-paraglide. Ang meetup namin na 8:30. Kita nyo naman yan sa kabila, di ba? Grabe! Sobrang ganda! Oh, baka nga. Oo, dyan. Siguro dun tayo sa taas na yun mag-ano. Kasi di ba sabi nila malapit lang kung saan tayo babagsak? So, dito rin yung bagsak pala namin. So, saan tayo lulundag?
Diyan.
Dito lang pala kami manggagaling, guys. Di pala kami akit ng bundok. Okay, tatawid na tayo. Oops.
Wag, malayo pa.
Okay, tawid. So, ayan na yung pinaka... Magaganyan-ganyan na kami. So, dito na kami sa Skywings. Winter meeting point. Our office is closed today. Please wait here for your pickup. Our team will be coming here at the agreed time. Okay, pasok daw. Bale yan, nagpalit na kami. Nag-add lang kami ng jacket. And nag-change lang to a windproof pants. So ngayon maglalakad na kami. Ayan. And syempre, nakakita tayo ng orange na jacket. So, maximize natin yan. Para maganda ang picture natin. Si Diana kasi makulay na yung ano niya. So, may aso. Takot na takot. Si JV ay green. Kanina naka-white siya. As you saw earlier. Kasi update ko kayo. Pinayagan kami na iakyat yung gamit namin. So, makakapag-video tayo. So, ito pala ang order namin. Order for today. Ang mauuna ay si Diana. Mauna si Diana, next si JV. And then, ako yung last. Or pwedeng sabay-sabay kaming gaganyan. So, ito na siya, guys. Then, naakit na tayo. Update ko kayo, cut muna natin dito.
We just walk slowly, guys.
Your name? Morgan.
Yeah. Guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Huwag nyo pansinin yung buhok ko, hindi ako nag-spray net. Sobrang excited ako.
Waddle, waddle.
Noong una, wala talaga. Dalawa lang talaga kami ni Diana dapat. So, pinanood na muna ni JV yung video. So, she knows. Yeah, she convinced herself. And grabe yung scenery. Wait lang ha. Lagay ko yung sa ilalim yung mukha ko para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Hindi ako manghihinayang dahil ito ay...
Isang bank lang.
Hindi. Bucket list. Hinihingal na kami. Hindi kami sanay sa ganitong lakad. From one bed to another lang. Oo. So, papunta na kami doon sa area kung saan kami tatakbo. Kita nyo kung gaano kakapal yung yelo. Gusto ko mag-picture sana kasi nagmadali na tayo maglakad. Ay, cut ko muna dito. Then pagdating namin doon sa tuktok, mag-video tayo ulit. Uy! Mama! Timo! Sobrang ganda! Gusto ko humiga actually. Kita nyo naman! Oh! 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 Wala na akong masabi, guys. Siguro mamaya may iyak ako kasi sabi, dream ka talaga. Yung ganito kakapal na snow, yung ganyang puno, mag-paraglide. Wow. Grabe. Cut ko lang ha, mag-video lang din ako sa phone. We're almost ready, guys, and here's my pilot dress.
Hey!
So we're gonna
So
pull
this is
through.
gonna be your harness. Don't run away. I like to prepare you.
Okay. Ready na kami.
Turn to my side. Turn to my...
Ready na tayo. Almost ready.
Super cool. You are ready. Very good.
Okay. Okay, so they're going first as we planned. So tatakbo na sila.
Don't step on the lines, please. Watch your steps.
Sorry.
Don't walk around on the glider. Huh?
Ready na sila.
Harvey, draw daw kita.
Go na, JV's going!
Oh, you see.
Woo! She's gone now. We're going as well.
You
See
can walk
that?
down a few steps already.
Yeah.
Follow me, please. And walk down there. Straight down.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Keep on walking down. A little more. Keep on walking. Okay, wait there. That's perfect. Thank you.
Na si Diana na. Good luck! Ayun na, ready na sila. Okay.
Run.
Yay! Okay guys, I'll put my phone in my pocket now. Ang makikita nyo na ay GoPro after this. Bye-bye!
Welcome in the sky. Nice. Harder. At the end, we will land. Feel comfortable?
I am.
Nice takeoff. Well done. Well, snow-covered trees. Nice.
Actually, I'm planning to go here like spring or even autumn.
Autumn is nice as
Yeah,
well.
just to see the green.
Uh-huh. If you have the colorful trees in autumn, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Wow. Cool. Ever since this was my dream to do paragliding.
Uh-huh. It's a nice place to do.
Yeah.
It's really
And the
cool.
only place that I want to do paragliding.
Okay. Down there. Whoa.
So magti-tricks daw kami guys. We'll do tricks. We do a roller coaster.
Still sleeping in this. You're okay? You're
Yeah,
fine?
I am.
But it's beautiful. Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Jerry. How are you?
good. I'm with Mackie.
Wonderful. Yeah. Look at these guys. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful Wonderland up here. Down here in the snow. super nice, huh? Yeah!
You know, I'm scared of
You did a
heights.
very good run. Perfect.
That's it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Alrighty, see you later. Wow, we are in the movie again, Terry. Hello.
We're in the sky.
Welcome.
This is Switzerland.
This is Winterlaken, Switzerland. Beautiful. That's a nice way to start, huh? Say again? Oh yes, absolutely. Beauty. Hello. So cool, huh?
Every day?
It's my first day working this year. First flight in 20. It's off.
Oh, that's
But not every day. You work every day?
yes.
You do work every day?
Yes. we work
All right.
every day.
What do you work?
I'm a director at
Okay. Look at that. Eva. Easy flying, huh?
Oh my god!
Yeah. All right. Hey, thanks for flying with us. It was a pleasure. And I say bye-bye. See you later.
I thought it's gonna be quick. I thought it's gonna be like quick.
Morning.
Ah, good morning.
How are you, Diana?
I'm okay.
Good.
Yes, how do you say good morning in Swiss German?
Guten Morgen.
Oh, like German. Guten Morgen.
Oh, grüße miteinander. Look at your right.
Oh, what thing is that?
Look up. Woo. Little up.
That's a frozen Swiss.
Because they're empty.
Okay, nakalabas na kami, nakapagpalit na kami ulit. And isa yun sa mga pinakamagandang experience sa life ko. Isa sa mga pinakamasayang moment. Like for the adventure part, of course. And how's the experience?
It was great!
But the price?
The
It's
price was too expensive. But affordable kasi affordable
Yeah. na-afford natin. So, affordable. So, that's it for the paragliding. I'll get their videos as well. So, we can post it as well. Yeah, so, ako yung magdadrive ngayon. Partida, wala ko license na dala. Okay, see you guys mamaya.